Agrimart, leaders in Indian farm mechanization. Lawn is the integral part of any big ornamental garden. It is the main attraction also. However, the lawn grass needs trimming in regular intervals. Otherwise, it becomes grassland. Trimming the lawn at ground level is a tedious job. Oleo lawn mowers help the gardener a lot for this purpose. There are both electric and petrol models for your choice. This is Oleo ride-on lawn mower for lawns on large areas like resorts, playgrounds, etc. Riding is very easy. Operator enjoys the work since he need not walk behind the machine. Cutting blade can be adjusted to different heights above the ground depending on the height of the grass to be retained. Cut grass collects in the box behind. Take out the collected grass once the box is full. This is the most popular Oleo petrol engine lawn mower. This is a very efficient and simple machine. Cutting blade can be adjusted to 3 different heights. Lightweight fiber body and foldable handle makes it comfortable for transportation. Efficient operator can trim the lawn in 1 acre in a day. There are many models available in this category. Aluminum alloy body is available, which is rust-proof and also has a long life. This is Oleo electric lawn mower. Easy operation and very less vibration are the specialities. However, it is necessary to have electricity point in the garden. Adjustment of the blade, working etc. is similar to the petrol engine lawn mower. This is Agrimate manual lawn mower. Investment is very less. This is useful for small lawn around the house. However, it is no way inferior in trimming the grass. Agrimart, leaders in Indian farm mechanization.